Hi, hello everyone. This is the CEI. Is very interesting lock. It's 5 pin. You can see 5 pin and a special pin here, side pin and a slider. The first thing you need to do is take the slider from here to the left side, from right side to the left side. Now we take the tension bar and we start. Nice click, nice click. Now the lock is in full set, you can see. So what we need to do now is only pick the slider. We take half diamond or something else, or you can use also with hook like this, and you start pushing. Pick and the lock is open. This is CEI pin in pin. I want to show you this. This is the lock. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.